Hi all, this is Lakshmi working as assistant professor in the Department of ECE at SNS CT. So today I'm here to discuss about the lecture series on embedded systems and IoT, and the unit which I'm going to discuss is about the IoT system design. So in the previous lecture series we have discussed about the Raspberry Pi, its interfaces, and how the programming is done using Python. So in today's lecture series, let us discuss about the applications here. So here the application which I'm going to discuss in this session is about smart home. So we know the smart home is a modern residential environment. So where the devices, appliances, and the systems are interconnected through the Internet of Things in order to automate, monitor, and control household operations. So they enhance the convenience, security, energy efficiency, and comfort by allowing users to manage home functions remotely through smartphone, tablets, voice assistants, or a centralized control system. So here, before discussing about this kind of system, let us apply the design thinking concept of empathy here first. So what the user feels, how they think, and what are the user needs, emotional and other needs. So how to overcome all these pains and implement a better smart home system using Raspberry Pi. So here, the user they tell that they have to control the home appliances easily. So they often forget to switch off the lights and fans, which waste the energy. So in order to save energy and for better security, when we are away from the home, a proper smart home system has to be built. So people are concerned about the home safety, energy wastage. So they wonder if automation systems are reliable and secure. And they also, it should be user friendly, easy to use, the mobile application, reliable security and privacy protection. So again, so the improved comfort and convenience, reduced electricity bills, enhanced home security. So these are the parameters which we have to consider and build an efficient smart home system using Raspberry Pi. So as we have already discussed, so this integrates various devices and applicant appliances in order to control the household operation, to automate and monitor it. And it enhances the convenience, security, energy efficiency, and the comfort by allowing users to manage the home function remotely. So the concept of a smart home has evolved rapidly with advancements in wireless communication, the artificial intelligence, cloud computing, and sensor technologies. So, the homes are capable of collecting the data, analyzing the user behavior, and making intelligent decisions to optimize the daily activities. So, the components of the smart home system here, it consists of various components and layers. So, first is about the sensing layer. So, that would include various sensors, collect information from the environment, etc. So, there are a lot of examples like temperature sensor, humidity, motion, smoke and gas sensor, light sensor, door and window sensors, water leakage sensors, etc. So, and then is our the network layer, that is the communication protocols which facilitates the device communication. So we have various communication technologies like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Zigbee, LoRaWAN, Ethernet, etc. So based on the need, we use the particular communication protocols. So then we have the processing layer, so where we use the microcontrollers. So here, which we are going to focus is Raspberry Pi, and then comes our the activators, so that performs action based on the sensor data and the user commands. Then is our user interface, which provides easy control and monitoring of the system. So smart home layers. So as we have discussed, so we have the application, the process system layer, processing data, executes the automation, and the network layer facilitates communication between the devices, and the perception layer, that is sensor layer, which collects the data. So here the hierarchy is, so we bottom up approach here we can look at. So first will be our perception layer, that is sensor layer, then the communication protocols, which we call it as network layer, and then as the application layer. So how we can implement this smart home system efficiently? So with the help of the Raspberry Pi. So here Raspberry Pi is an IoT-based home automation system. So here it acts as a central controller in order to monitor and control the household devices like light, fan, camera, door locks, etc. So here the primary objective is to automate the household appliance, improve the security, reduce energy consumption, enable remote access, and provide real-time notification. So here the first thing is what the Raspberry Pi do. So that is our central controller here. So that will process the sensor data, control the connected appliances, host the web servers and databases, and executes the automation rules, connects to the cloud services. Sensors here will collect the real-time information from the environment. And then the activators perform the physical actions, which is based on the commands. Like we have relay module, servo motor, DC motor, the smart bulbs, smart plugs, etc. So we have the display system for the output. So here once the data is collected and then it is given to the controller, where the programming is carried out using the Python script here. So for running out the Python script, so here they need to install the operating system and the particular libraries to run the program. And after that, all the processing is done. It is being connected. The information has to be communicated with the help of the communication protocols, and then it provides the user interfaces. According to the need, the application is carried out. So the device will be controlled. So the user interaction could be carried out using any mobile app or a web dashboard or voice assistant. So security is one of the most important concern in a smart home system. So we have to provide secure communication by involving the user authentication process, and the regular updates keep the Raspberry Pi updated with respect to its software components. So this is the overall smart home system. So various applications, like we have the smart irrigation, smart TV, security cameras, communication with smart grid, the smart meters, healthcare, etc. So the benefits are, as we have discussed already, energy conservation, remote control, growing technology. Okay, that is access here, and the smarter communication. So today's assessment, so which operating system is commonly used for building a smart home hub? So the answer is Home Assistant OS. Which communication protocol is most widely used in Raspberry Pi based smart home projects? So here the protocol widely used is MQTT, that is Message Queuing Telemetry Transport Protocol. Thank you.